Today, let us see HCF basics. Under that, let us understand what are common factors. Observe the definition. Common factors are the factors that are common to two or more numbers. Got it? Example 1. Common factors of 8 and 14. Observe here, we know that the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Also, we know that the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Here 1 and 2 are the factors that are common to both 8 and 14. So, common factors of 8 and 14 are 1 and 2. Got it? This means that 1 and 2 each divide both 8 and 14 exactly. Got it? Example 2. Common factors of 15 and 25. We know that factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Also, we know that factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Observe here 1 and 5 are the factors that are common to both 15 and 25. So, common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. This means that 1 and 5 each divide both 15 and 25 exactly. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on factors and their properties, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.